My name is Dhananjay, or you can call me DJ. Now, most of you must know that getting a 750 plus score in the GMAT is no cakewalk. Let me put this into context for you. More than 300,000 students give the GMAT every single year, and yet less than 2,500 of them actually achieve the score. So hard? Yeah, maybe a little. And I'm sure that you want to get here. So one way of getting here is spending 500 hours of prep, doing 3,000 plus questions with a mere success rate of 1 in 10. And this is what we've seen. But what if I told you there is a faster, which means less than 300 hours of prep, a more efficient, which means less than 1,000 questions being prepared, and a more successful way of doing things? So click on the link above or click on the description box below to figure out how this happens. Now, is this sounding too good to be true? Well, no. Hear it from Nithya and hear it from Sidharth and hear about their journeys on how they actually did this using both of these things that I talked about. Me on the 3rd of December to learn from their mistakes, to listen to how data-driven methodologies can help you track your improvement and get you to the score, and launch yourself towards a fantastic GMAT 750 plus score.